Hi guys and welcome to the channel. So it's been really long since I have came active on YouTube for the long videos. So my last video हुई थी 11th Feb 2026 and it's been Feb, March, April, May, June and now it is July. So today is 5th of July and I am shooting a video again. So this video, as you can see from the title, is a very short and a very quick update of my life. So since February to today July, a lot of things have changed and I am really grateful for that. So hi, if you don't know me, my name is Tanu and I am a HR. I work as an HR. I work as an personal branding content creator. I work as a freelancer as well. So yeah. Okay, so we will be starting the whole vlogs from February. Okay, so this is a very impromptu vlog. I don't know what I'm speaking, but let's go. Because I have been procrastinating the video for so long this time. मतलब ऐसा तो कभी नहीं हुआ था कि मैं long video के लिए इतना procrastinate करूँगी. But yes, I did. And it's totally fine because maybe मैं किसी और चीज़ में busy थी. But yes, if I have procrastinated, I have posted the shorts of, YouTube shorts every day. So you guys can go to my YouTube channel, check out my shorts. Also, I am posting on Instagram as well. I am posting on LinkedIn as well, like every day. So if I talk about LinkedIn, that is something a professional platform for me. So I usually post about hiring stuffs. I usually post about HR career. I usually post about for a fresher. So if you are a fresher and watching this video, I guess we can connect on LinkedIn. Okay, and on Insta I don't have any specific niche because I feel like if I'll set a niche of something related to anything, so it will be very much limited. So I don't want to go with a niche. I post what I feel like. Same as on YouTube shorts. Now YouTube video is something which takes time. I mean, if you have to edit it, you have to speak out there, you have to do all of those things. So I was procrastinating this video for so long and now I have decided to just start. I don't know. Okay, so we will be starting from Feb onwards. So February 11th, that was the last day when I shooted a video. एंड उसके बाद से बहुत सारी चेंजेस हुए. आई नो आई कीप ऑन सेइंग कि बहुत चेंजेस हुए बट ट्रस्ट मी, इस टाइम चेंजेस एक्चुअल में हुए हैं एंड आई विल वॉक यू थ्रू all of those. Okay, so Feb, March, April and May starting first week, I was working in Noida and you guys know I was working as an HR and I'm still working as an HR, but unfortunately I have to leave my old company and I have to move ahead in my life, so I put a resignation email there. That's the big update, which I really feel like that I am so glad that I did it, because some things are never meant to be. So I guess that company, that organization was never I think they don't deserve me, or maybe I don't deserve them, whatever it is, but I left that organization and I'm happy today that I left it because of so many reasons. Now February, if I start with February, it was very normal. Then March, it was Holi. I got viral, and after viral, it was Holi as well. So I have to head out to my house. So I asked for a leave in my company, which they denied, but I still took the leave. Then April, it was okay. Also in March, I got viral. So वो चीज़ मेरे लिए बहुत difficult थी. For the entire 1 week, it was a very serious viral. But thankfully, 1 week में I got recovered and yeah, I started my work again. So that was my second organization. I won't quote it first. Yes, it was first on-site, but for the remote job, I have already done 11th month of job. So I won't quote it as my first organization, because my first organization is that organization where I'm always grateful for, because I have learned a lot of things from there and I am still learning somehow. So my second organization, I didn't had that good experience with them, which is totally fine because of course everyone has different experience with different things. So then I left the job and I left it in May, on May 8th. देन मार्च में मैंने लीव मांगी, जिसकी वजह से देयर वर लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स. उसके बाद मैंने लीव लिया. देन अप्रैल अगेन आई आस्क्ड फॉर द लीव बिकॉज इट वॉज माई पेरेंट्स 25th एनिवर्सरी एंड आई हैव टू गो टू माई होम टू मीट माई पेरेंट्स बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड माई मदर टू हेल्प. मतलब मैं ऐसा नहीं चाहती थी कि because being the only daughter of the family, I didn't wanted to miss it out, right? So I wanted to help my parents, matlab I wanted to help my mother with ghar ke kaam and all of those things because it was 25th anniversary, so it was बहुत सारे काम होते हैं and all of those things. So I decided to go. मेरा बीच में ऐसे हो गया था कि लेट्स नॉट गो, लेट्स डू, कंपनी में ही रहते हैं एंड सिंस आई एम ऑन प्रोविजन तो लीव का थोड़ा इशू था, बट देन आई डिसाइडेड टू गो. ठीक है. देन आफ्टर आई केम बैक ऑन 27th April was their anniversary. I came back on 29th morning or 28th, I don't remember. Yeah, 29th morning. And I went to office directly. अपने रेलवे स्टेशन से I went to office. उसके बाद I worked for April month. Then May में they had a drive company ने. Then after that they just decided कि I mean drive तो हो गई, and then there was something which was very unacceptable. उस टाइम पे मुझे रिज़ाइन करना पड़ा वहाँ पे, and I was so I got so mad कि एक्चुअल में ये क्या हुआ है, राइट? देन आई डिसाइडेड कि ये क्या हुआ है, दिस वॉज ऑल सडन. ठीक है. उसके बाद 8th में आई रिज़ाइंड, अप्रैल, एंड देन मे में आई रिज़ाइंड, एंड देन आफ्टर आई डिसाइडेड टू डू a lot of research, a lot of freelancing, but things didn't work in my favor, and I started comparing, I started judging myself. So basically वहाँ से resign करने के बाद से I started making myself demotivated. मैं खुद मुझे ऐसा हो गया था कि why have I chosen this role, कि मुझे HR में क्यों जाना है जब कोई कैंडिडेट्स नहीं आ रहे हैं. बहुत सारे नेगेटिव थिंग्स स्टेप बाय स्टेप इट started happening. Then June, then May किसी तरह ख़त्म हुआ and I was unemployed and I was applying for jobs. I do apply for jobs, but मेरे पास I did apply for jobs, but मेरे पास responses भी आ रहे थे, but something like CTC, location, or maybe the work culture, or any or the other things were not working. तो I was not moving ahead because मुझे कंपनी में रिज़ाइन करने के बाद से ऐसा हो गया कि नाउ अप्लाई, आई वॉज लाइक कि मुझे अब एक अच्छी एंड एक बेटर या मीडियम कंपनी में जाना है, नॉट लाइक कि लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सो जून में आई जस्ट started applying again. Then मेरा फेयरवेल हुआ जून में. या that was one of the big achievement because I got my MBA done. Yes, I got my MBA done, and I'm so grateful that I remember starting my MBA and orientation wale din I cried in front of the director, by the way. So, but looking today, it's really something I will always be grateful of and will be proud of. So I've done my MBA as well. I got my final results as well. I clicked a lot of good pictures of my MBA, and I loved my sari as well. So yeah. And then June में I also got invited by one of my first organization. उन्होंने मुझे invite किया था as a guest speaker, तो that was another win in June. Then I मतलब ये सारी चीज़ें तो side by side चल रही थी, and मेरा job apply भी side by side चल रहा था, which was I didn't like this part of job applying. I only liked the part of being into the job, but I don't like the part of job applying. But trust me, if you apply it in the right way, you will get the opportunity. And on a very random day, I got a call from an HR. I got selected. My offer letter was in my hand, and it all happened बहुत जल्दी. So within 1 week. Okay, so now this job was in Gurugram. So I have to relocate because I was residing in Noida. I have to relocate to Gurugram. Now this is again one of the things जो मुझे ऐसे कर देता है थोड़ा कि oh my god, am I open to relocate? Am I open to leave my comfort zone? Am I open to do all this alone? But yes, I had to. I did it. I did it, and I can believe it, I did it. So I relocated to Gurugram. This is another update, and I am really loving it. That's what I'm really loving it. I mean, it's okayish. It's okayish. It's not bad as of now. It's been 2 weeks here, but it's not bad as of now. It's good. It's good for me, and yes, because it's like मेरे लिए बहुत it was complete change. In Noida, I was there with my sister. Everything was sorted. It was very comfortable place. वहाँ के environments I was very comfortable. But moving to Gurugram has changed a lot of things in a lot of way. So yeah, I relocated to Gurugram because I had offer letter in my hand. मतलब मैं बस God पे trust करके I decided to just relocate myself. मैंने एक दिन में just in a single day on a random Sunday I came for a PG hunt and मुझे PG मिला. मैंने रात तक मेट्रो स्टेशन पे खड़े होके I did my deposit money payment as well कि हम कल से शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं. And yes, so I have relocated to Gurugram and I'm loving my PG. I'm loving my room. Rent थोड़ा ज़्यादा है but I'm loving it. Also, yeah, a quick update. I am working here as a talent acquisition, wherein I am responsible for hiring and a lot of stuffs as well, like employee engagement, hiring, and other activities. So yeah, because since my BBA, I wanted to be into HR, and till my class 12th, I wanted to be a teacher. So both of the roles are somewhat similar. In a teacher role, you manage children's. Now in a HR role, you manage employees. So I love to lead, or you can say I love to mentor. I also take one-on-one consultation calls, by the way, where I help fresher students as well. If you know me, you know this as well. So yeah, I have relocated. I am here with my hostel friend only, so it's quite better for me. It's quite easy for me, I mean. And yeah, that was a quick update of as of now. Today is Sunday, so I got a time to update you guys because I know it's been so long. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is कि February से लेके अभी तक there's a lot of change, lot of new people, lot of new things happened, lot of things happened. But every new experience is leading to something or the other, of course. So yeah, if you guys have watched this video यहाँ तक, thank you so much. Just drop a like as well. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें. And yeah, that's it. That's the update. Now I will be editing the video. जितना मतलब I don't usually edit my videos, especially YouTube long videos, because मुझे editing नहीं आती. I mean आती है, but not that level. So yeah. Okay, so I will be updating this uploading this video after a bit of editing maybe, and you guys can see this video today, that is 8th of July, 6th of July. Yeah, so let's go. If you like this video, drop a like on this video, share it out, and comment as well if you love this video. Also, I will be posting a new update, new video, maybe I don't know when, but yes, very soon I'll be uploading, because I feel so tired कि long video बनाने के लिए. I am okay for shorts, but yes, I will try, because I also lack ideas as well. Let me tell you guys, मेरे पास idea नहीं है कि मैं long video में किस type की video बनाऊँ, तो it's थोड़ा exhausting, but yes, I'll give my best. Bye bye.